So, hello. My name is Milla Isaksson. I am from Sweden, now living in Spain. And today I will show you how to make a soup from the leftovers from smoked shrimps, gambas. Yesterday we bought this delicious smoked shrimps from my friend Daniel, and I will put a link where you can find him here in Malaga, close to Malaga, Villa Franco de Guadalhorce. So, first thing, I put some chili and garlic here. And let it fry inside here a little bit. And if you don't have time to do this immediately, you can put this leftovers in the freezer every time you eat shrimps, and you don't have to buy the smoked ones, even the normal ones. Just put them in the freezer, and when you feel for doing this soup or this bouillon, you pick them out and you do it. It's very easy. So I want the garlic to be a little bit like caramel. A little bit sweet taste. So now all shrimps have been boiling for a little bit more than an hour. I added some water because it was not, I think it was not enough water. So I added some water here. Now I will take all the liquid out. This here. Rinse this a little bit. I will try to squeeze out as much as possible. You can leave it there for a while. And now I will bring it to my outdoor kitchen again, because I don't want to have all the smell inside. So if you have an outdoor kitchen, this is perfect. And then I will let it boil to be more and more thick. Now I have my shrimp thing here. It has been boiling for about an hour on low temperature. Now today I will just do like this, and I will put it in refrigerator or freezer, because now I don't want to work anymore. And then later on I can take it out and I can do like a soup with more salt, pepper, cream, coconut cream, I can put a little bit of fish bouillon, vegetables bouillon, but here is a lot of taste now. And don't forget to write on what's inside, because I guess you are like me, you will never remember later what's inside.